In this AI video generator tutorial, you're going to learn how to make AI videos for free using Google's new free AI video generator. So the link is docs.google.com/videos. I'll share with you the link in the comments section down below. So first, click on the plus over here to start a new video. And here we have the new Veo 3.1 where you can generate 8-second AI video clips. So I'll click on this, and on the right, we can write our prompt. So we describe your 8-second video. You can add ingredients such as brand images, characters, and more. You can choose the aspect ratio. So there's landscape, which is the widescreen horizontal format, 16:9. And there's the portrait, which is the vertical video. So let's go with this. Next, you write your prompt. So I have an example here. Basically, I'm asking for a cat scrolling on a phone. So I'll click on generate. So after about 30 seconds, the video is done. So I'll click on insert, and it's going to put the video over here. And now let me play the clip to let you see what we have. Next, let me show you how to turn an image into a video. In this example, I'm using this image. So here we have Walter White holding a pizza box. So let's turn this image into a video. So on the right side, if you click on Create from Scratch, you can see there are actually two modes. So Create from Scratch will generate a video from text and images. Or you can choose Animate an Image, so it will turn an image into a video. So I'll select this, then you can add your image and then describe what should happen in your 8-second video. So I'll click on Add Image, I'll upload this image. Just describe what should happen in the 8-second video. So let's keep it simple. I will say the man opens the pizza box to reveal a large pepperoni pizza. Then he grabs a slice and starts eating it. Okay, then I'll click on generate. After about 30 seconds, it's done. I'll click on insert, and let me play the video to show you what it looks like. Now to download the video, go to the top left corner, click on File, go to Download, click on MP4 Video. And it will automatically download it to your computer. So I'll click on this, and you can see I downloaded the video to my desktop.